Hello and welcome to your Deep Rest and Renew Rest meditation. This first meditation is designed to take you through a simple body relaxation approach. It is designed to anchor you and it will take approximately 12 minutes and enable you to develop an integrative conversation with your body. Take the time now to set yourself up in a comfortable position lying on the floor, being sure to support yourself so that you're not feeling any pressure or hardness in your body. Now, as you come into position, take a minute and listen to the thoughts that are passing through your mind. What are they saying? What are you reflecting on? Is your mind wandering? I want you to think of these thoughts as leaves floating in the water, floating down a stream, just passing through. Shift around a little to make yourself even more comfortable. Now, I want you to intentionally shift your attention from your thoughts to your body by taking a deep breath in through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Taking a deep breath and filling your lungs from the bottom through to the top. Place your hand on your belly as you continue to breathe and feel your belly expand as you inhale. When you reach the top, release your breath through your mouth without little effort at all, feeling the softness of the warm breath crossing your lips. Take another deep breath in through your nose and exhale completely. Continue to place your attention on your breathing and take another 3 more deep belly breaths in and out. Now start to see if you can notice anything within your body that you weren't aware of just before you started. You might feel some remnants of tension in your neck or in your legs or shoulders. But if you feel the urge to move and reposition yourself for comfort, then do so. Take one more deep breath in through your nose and out to allow your jaw to loosen as you exhale and release all the expression in your face. What sensations do you feel in your body right now? You may start to feel that you've made a fundamental attention shift to focus on your body, to shift from where the thoughts were swirling around in your mind to your whole of body lying on your mat. Now it is important as you work through this restful meditation that it's not necessary to silence the mind. Your thoughts may broaden, but it also might be from what your body is telling you. Allow yourself to listen and use your intuition. So So now that you have found your center and you have grounded yourself into a state of rest, we will continue the deep breathing practice. With your left hand on your heart and your right hand on your belly, let's continue with the deep breathing. In for 6 and out for 6 for 4 rounds. And as we do this, I want you to visualize the breath moving in through your body and filling up, and then passing through, moving back out across your lips. You'll start to feel the gentle expansion of your chest, and you might feel some gentle extension in your shoulders. And with each exhalation, I want you to rest your body and feel the tension melting away. So breathing in, 3, 4, 5, 6, and breathing out, 4, 5, 6. Breathing in, 2, 3, 5, 6, and breathing out, 5, 6. Breathing in, and breathing out, and breathing in, and breathing out. From here, you will move into continuous deep breathing. And with each breath in and exhalation, feel the tension melting away from your body as you relax yourself even further onto the mat. We will be here now for another 5 minutes. start to bring your attention back to your body and your mind as we slowly prepare to wake up. Start to move your toes, wriggle your fingers. You might like to do a gentle stretch. Slowly open your eyes to allow the light to move in. And feel yourself anew and bring your awareness back to your mat. Stay here now for as long as you feel like to enjoy this restful and peaceful place.